Hey everyone, and welcome to the Hunch Voice. My name is Emma, product marketer here at Hunch, and today the Hunch Voice speaks up about your daily production challenges and will show you 5 ways you can solve them with creative automation. For those of you who don't know us, Hunch is a meta business partner, and we're heavily involved in the space of creative enhancement as well as campaign automation on paid social. In a world where users want a more personalized approach, a campaign's performance is far less dependent on the strength of a single social media platform. It depends on the creative. Due to the rapid development of social, the tempo of creative production is nearly impossible to combat without using automation technology. Hyperproduction became a #1 challenge for every performance agency. So you can't just set a generic ad and wait for the results, because probably there won't be any. We've seen it all before. But let's dig in a bit deeper and break down into production challenges and how to solve them with creative automation. Number 1, overcome the lack of design resources. Think of the scenario. You need to run a campaign for an e-commerce brand with hundreds of products. They want to go for the advanced campaigns, to use different variations of ads for different creative strategies, and they want highly personalized creative that will engage their customers. And they want it as soon as possible. You'll need a lot of time to produce different creatives, create product catalogs, and check does every designed item have the correct data from the product feed, and how it looks overall in different formats, as well as a team of designers to create all the variations, which requires more budget. With creative automation, you won't need to expand your team or spend days and nights doing repetitive tasks to create different variations of assets. It can do all this work for you. Automation is the fastest path to get your engaging creatives. Number 2, get more powerful engaging ads for all placements requirements at once. Multiple placements are available even on a single channel, and running an omni-channel campaign highly benefits brand consistency. A single creative is usually served in multiple placements, and each placement has its own dimensions. Also, advertisers may want to expand the campaign onto other channels. Therefore, you'll need dozens of assets per ad just based on the number of placements. With creative automation and dynamic templates, you will get all ad variations for all possible placements in no time. And with the Hunch platform, you can customize your creatives to be TikTok, Snapchat, or YouTube ready. Number 3, combat the price of ad localization. When running localized campaigns, you can either choose a lower performing generic creative or bear the cost of localization of creative assets. With creative automation, you can reduce the inherent cost without losing a chance for creating impactful localized ads for thousands of locations, balancing between cost and positive ROIs. Number 4, add personalization as an ace up your sleeve. Personalization plays an important role in grabbing the user's attention and getting an ad to perform better. It's focused on user interest. These are ad production requirements that will take a lot of resources. With creative automation, you'll be able to produce different creatives much easier and faster, and you won't face the problem of updating your ads. Number 5, don't miss any potential leave with retargeting campaigns. Retargeting campaigns will require you to show your offering as best as possible. Should you decide to show a promo coupon or offer free shipping and communicate that visually, each of these changes will require you to produce all the assets. To ease this, you should prepare the strategy and decide what benefits you'll communicate through ads, and creative automation will cover producing that. Creative automation is the engine behind any creative customization at scale. It gives the ability to deliver optimal performance in your campaign without additional costs. So by using this technology, you'll successfully combat the challenges of creating highly personalized ads at a massive scale and keeping on-brand creatives throughout omni-channel campaigns. Thanks for staying with me. Hope this was valuable and that we've helped you unlock the great potential of creative automation to enhance your creative process. If you're interested in learning how Hunch helps you to do so, book a demo and see us in action. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more new content. Also follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our weekly newsletter for more new content every week. Bye!